welcome to Mo Does DIYs. So I have a question for you. Have you ever walked by the Dollar Tree toy section and just thought, it's no use, it's not going to work, this stuff is only $1, it's not going to work? Well, don't do that, okay? Promise me you will go check it out, because I was blown away at the quality of summer 2020 Dollar Tree toys. My son had the time of his life last night, and it was so much fun. And so from my family to yours, I hope you had a happy Memorial Day weekend. I hope you enjoyed all the little things in life, and that you also didn't forget to honor all the fallen soldiers and heroes that gave their life for our country. So let's get on with the video. I found some really incredible things at the Dollar Tree the other day, and so I want to share it here really fast. So they have cork sheets, rub-on transfers, wooden dolls, felt rolls, these fish and animals that move. They are just absolutely stepping up their game, and I'm so blown away. So this first DIY, we've all seen this like rainbow shape at Anthropologie. So I wanted to recreate something of my own, using Dollar Tree products. And so I took my hot glue gun and I used these two little shadow boxes from the Dollar Tree. These are summer 2020 items, and I just hot glued them together. Then I decided, okay, I'm going to take these little Jenga blocks and I'm going to hot glue 4 of these together 4 different times to make some legs. So basically, after hot gluing this all together, I wanted it to sit for a few minutes before I spray painted it, just so that things could get harden and settle and get sturdy. And so I took my black Krylon chalkboard spray paint and I gave this 2 really good coats outside. I had to do 2 coats because, as you can see right here, it was kind of, the wood was showing through the bottom. And so while I was waiting for that to dry, I went to my Cricut maker and I made a stencil that looked just like those rainbows from Anthropologie. Then I basically just, once it was completely dry, I put them on the little box. That was it. It was so simple, so easy. This is a $2 DIY and it's absolutely beautiful. And I love plant stands, but I wanted mine to be square. All right, so for this next idea that I wanted to share, you can find these pots and the Jenga blocks from the Dollar Tree. And so I decided to use my little rub-on transfers for this project, and I just hot glued 7 rows of 3 and let it sit. Now I let it sit for a few minutes, once again letting it get nice and hard. Then I took my Maui sand chalk paint and I gave it 2 really good coats and let it dry before moving on. Then I took my cottage white chalk paint and I painted 5 of these little clay pots. I had to give it 2 coats because it was kind of hard to cover up. So definitely do 2 coats if you're going to be painting these pots. And so while I let them dry completely, and then I decided to try these brand new rub-on transfers from the Dollar Tree, and I wanted to use the word faith. So I just cut, F-A-I-T-H, and then I just took my fingernail and some pressure from my finger, and these came right on, so easy. It's literally incredible. This is life-changing, you guys. These are only $1 and they're beautiful, and they have many different styles. And so I just, made the word faith, and then I was ready to move on. And so this is absolutely sharp, absolutely gorgeous. And so I took my hot glue gun, just hot glued these onto my little board, and then I was ready to literally add my succulents, and this was done. I will link Kroger's in the description box. I found these for $1 each, live succulents from my local Kroger, and it's a really great deal for a medium-sized plant. And I can't believe how well they fit right inside these little pots. I didn't even have to get dirty because I just put them in as is. And so this is really sharp, and I was really excited to share this today. All right, this next idea is kind of fast. Remember these mermaid frames? Well, I just took out the little mermaid thing. I wanted to use this little cork sheet, and then I took these rub-on transfers. I literally cut out some of the floral, flowers and vines, and just attached it on. And then I hot glued my little cork board to the back of this, and that was it. I mean, it was so simple and easy. This is a $2 DIY, and I love it. I put a little picture of my son up, but you could put whatever you want. You could even do sticky notes. This could be really, really helpful, and I was really happy to share this. Okay, this is from KIRKLANDS. They want $70 for a 2 set, which is fine. It's not even a bad price, and so I wanted to make mine from the Dollar Tree. So I had this old pot from Meijers, and I paid $3.99 for that cement pot. and which is an incredible deal. It's really heavy too. And so I just took these brand new wooden dowels from the Dollar Tree, and I literally just hot glued it and wrapped it with twine until I was happy with the way it looked. And literally that was it. It was so easy, so fun, and I saved myself $68. Like, how insane. I can't get over how easy this was to do and how sharp this looks. I mean, these are literally just dowels from the Dollar Tree and just wrapped up with some really good heavy duty hot glue and some twine. And I think this is so sharp. I will show you what it looks like in my window in the end of my video. And so I took these little moss rocks and I decided to put them inside because they have a very high-end farmhouse look. And then I took a little succulent from the Dollar Tree and put it on top. And voila, this bad boy was done. I can't even get over how easy this was to do and how pretty and sharp this looks. It looks so modern farmhouse boho. I'm so in love. And so I want to share a couple more really fast ideas, and I was just kind of laying everything out. So let's do that little vase up in the right. And so I just took my Maui sand and one of those little vases, plastic vases from the Dollar Tree, and I painted it in my Maui sand and let it dry. I gave it 2 really good coats. After giving it 2 coats of paint and letting it dry, then I kind of did my signature move. I do this a lot, you know, like I did with those tiki cups. I like taking white chalk paint and I like giving everything a very textured look. So I just took my brush on the side and, you know, wiped the white paint on the side, and it literally picked up everything that was sticking out. Like, I love how that looks. All right, this next idea is kind of fun and really super easy, and you could just make a plant stand using all these little cubes from the Dollar Tree. It's incredible. You don't have to pay $20, $30, $40 for a plant stand. No. Go to the dollar store, spend $2 and get some blocks and just hot glue them together, whatever shape and size that you'd like. This is so fun, so easy, and really affordable. Once I was done, I decided to add another layer. So I added these on top. Watch right here. Da, 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 da. Here they are. Oh, I don't know, you guys. I was just trying new things, you know, can't fault me for that. And then I ended up ruining this. So I painted it in black and it was beautiful. It was perfect. And then I took this white chalk paint and I rubbed it over it, and now it looks so dumb. But you know what? I am woman enough to admit that I have fails. I'm not perfect. And you know what? At least I was trying new things, right? So, you know what? I get bonus points for trying new things, right? Anyways, I have one more idea I want to share with you. These boxes are beautiful from the Dollar Tree. You can find them on kind of like the side aisles by like the tools. And they look very antique and farmhouse, and I just love them. And so I just thought they would look really pretty with a Dollar Tree greenery stuck inside. That was it. I mean, these are really sharp and very antique, old world. I mean, if you put these on a bookshelf, I think these would be so sharp. Okay, so that concludes my video for today. If you found this helpful, or if you enjoyed it, or if you liked anything, make sure you let me know, comment down below, or press like, and also make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, definitely tap all so that you never miss any of my videos. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and also I would like to say welcome to all the new subscribers. I'm so glad you're here. I'm so blown away, and I'm so grateful. Oh my gosh, yesterday was like a record-breaking day. So thank you guys so much. I'm so glad, I'm so honored, I'm so grateful, and I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.